2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to be changing the liftgate struts. The first thing you want to do is put some sort of support on the rear liftgate, so when you remove this, the liftgate doesn't fall on you, injuring you. You want to make sure you don't do that. The next thing is to go ahead and remove the old strut. So the way you're going to do this is just take a little flat bladed screwdriver, gently lift this up ever so slightly, and then push it down. Easier said than done, I suppose. But it should slide down and get out of the way. There we go, it's starting to slide. Okay, so as you see, once that little clip slides down, it'll pop off the little nut that's on there. The next thing you want to do is the struts that I bought came like this. So this is actually going to thread right in there. So you want to remove this little nub that's on there. So to remove that, I've got a 13mm deep wall socket. Just going to stick that right on there and pop it off. So the upper part of the strut is the same business. You're just going to pry this little clip off with your flat bladed screwdriver. And it's going to pop right off, and again remove that little nub. So then to install the new stuff, what I've got here is a T40 Torx. I don't know if you can read that. That's what it is, T40 Torx wrench. And we're just gonna put the new strut right in place here. Make sure you look up the proper torque spec for this and get it torqued properly. And over here on the bottom side, we're gonna do the same thing. So if you're having a little trouble getting this bolt to align correctly in the bolt hole, what you can do is push up a little bit on your liftgate, and you see this will kind of wobble around in there. Again, make sure you get it started by hand first before you start wrenching it down. Once you're sure you've got it started without cross-threading it, you can go ahead and finish it off with a wrench. Once you've got everything all finished, you want to check for proper operation of your liftgate. Make sure there's no binding or anything as you're coming down. In this situation, everything looks good, so we are good to go. So I thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helps you guys out in accomplishing your maintenance goals. And make sure to check out my channel. Thank you very much.